Hi Beshawops, Riegil here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video guys, I'll be doing a summer makeup tutorial. And ayun nga guys, until now, lockdown pa din tayo. So, yun, mag-makeup na lang tayo forever. Ay gusto malaman kung ano yung mga products and kung anong look yung magagawa ko for this summer 2020. Just keep on watching. And super konti lang po talaga ng makeup na gagawin ko for today. So, kinda excited. So, ayun guys. Paalala ko lang sa inyo, always drink a lot of water. Okay guys, if interested kayo malaman kung anong makeup look ang magagawa natin for this video, just keep on watching. And if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please make sure to subscribe to be part of my family and click the post notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I post a video here on my channel. And also guys, follow me on my social media account. I have my Twitter and Instagram. I'll be putting it somewhere here at screen and sa description down below. Guys, follow nyo ako. Follow nyo ako kasi wala, napafollow back ako. So yan guys, without further ado, let's get on to the video. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm gonna put a serum, and this is from Lanbena, the vitamin C serum. And yun, gagamitin ko siya sa face ko para mukhang super healthy yung face natin. Kasi super konti lang talaga nung look natin. Kasi I wanted to achieve like a natural looking pero maganda. Walang magbabago. Sana all walang nagbabago. Lagyan lang tayo ng serum dyan. And ang kinaganda na ito guys, super na-absorb agad siya ng face ko, which is moisturizer Nature Republic again. I'll proceed to pagkikilay and brow soap from Browmagic PH. So, this is how it looks like. Sa mga nagtatanong if saan ko siya nabili, so nabili ko po siya sa Beauty M&L. Gagawin ko guys is I'm just gonna brush my brow upwards like that. Hindi na ako maglalagay ng iba pang eyebrow product, kundi ito lang. Because ito ay naayos na naman yung buhok ng kilay ko. Pero if kayo meron kayong brow product na mas prefer nyo, pwede nyo din naman gamitin. Pero ito sa akin, mas prefer ko to. For not summer makeup look. Kasi super natural na lang tingnan. So, yun nga pala guys, isa-shoutout ko lang yung friend ko. So, shout out kay Jandine. Oh my God, girl! Di ko alam i-pronounce yun. Ayan na, girl! Shout out na kita. So, ang pogi niya, diba? Oh. Yan, pak. So, maggalap ng jowa dyan. Punta na to. So, yun. Kasi nag-ano kami. Sabi ko, sige, shout out kita, ikaw lang. Sabi niya, super bet. So, ayan. Follow niyo na din siya sa ano guys, sa Twitter. Super bait ng kay shout out to you, my friend. I really miss you. Mag-Jollibee naman tayo next time. Jabby. Mga mulawin. For this look, the one and only that I'm going to use sa pinaka-base ko is a concealer. This is from Maybelline, New York. Is mag-spot concealing lang ako. Kung ano lang yung mga dapat kong takpan, yun lang yung tatakpan ko. And hindi ko gagawin to sa buong face na gagawin. Gagawin ko siyang foundation. Hindi, I'm just gonna spot concealing. Kung ano lang yung dapat kong takpan. Gamitin ko is from this, the Blythe Face Palette. The 311 Eclipse yung shade niya. And yeah, already hit the pan medyo. But yeah, I'm just gonna use this. Super ganda ng shade na to, guys. It's really good for light to medium yung skin tone. I'm gonna set my face, and yung pang set ko is my Maybelline New York Clear Smooth All-in-One Two-Way Cake. So this is in the shade, it's 04 Honey. So yun guys, I already set my face. Now let's move on to the eye makeup. So simple lang po ng eye makeup natin. I'm just gonna use this again from Blythe Face Palette. And I'll be getting this shade, the brown shade over here. And ilalagay ko siya sa aking eyelids para lang magmukhang buhay yung ating eyes. At may kulay. Ganyan. So I'm gonna curl my lashes and put a mascara. And yung mascara na gagamitin ko for today is this Lash Sensational Waterproof from Maybelline. And I'm gonna curl my lashes. Then highlighting my face. For my highlighter, I'll be using the Careline strobe stick. This is how it looks like. Super affordable lang yan to, guys, if you're looking for a nice highlighter stick. I recommend this, okay? So for my lips, I'll be using this Lip and Cheek Stain Alive Therapy from Genie. And I bought this at Beauty M&L, guys. Lips. So, spread kang ganyan. Plus, ang bango niya pa. Ang sarap. Wala siyang bitter taste. It's so sarap. So yan, ganitong look, okay na to. Ganyang lips, okay na siya. But ako, lalagyan ko siya or papatungan ko siya ng aking Vice Phenomenal Velvet Liquid Lipstick in the shade Shuki. So, gagamitin ko tong Vice Cosmetics and ilalagay tayo na guys, my summer makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this kind of video. If you do, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video to your friends and yung para malaman nila kung ano yung makeup tutorial ko or just to recreate this look. And if ever na ma-recreate nyo itong look na to, just tag me on my Twitter or also sa pinaka IG account ko. And yun, baka ma-my-day ko or ma-mention ko kayo if ever. So this is it guys, the final look. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the post notification bell. Follow me on my social media accounts. And yan guys, see you in my next video.